Ne make us say 7 ambassadors who Asante mo na yede won wa hye 2025 Ghana Science and Tech Explorer Prize Challenge no yede won wa hye mo botaye nyina ne se enchime banso won so be ye ahwesode ama won.
Dream Over Foundation enam dwumadie bi a wato din GSTEM so boa adusuafo a wo junior high school wo mfinhia no efiri eduna ekosi edunwotwe so de be ya obunya nimdie kese wo STEM enwomasua no mu.
GSTEM no ye pese ye ma science adusua no very practical hands-on ema in kola ewo JSS mu ewo Ghana, particularly ewo in Greater Accra, Asante region, any Eastern region. Na niya ni say ema in kola resources ema mu to meet the build devices any projects are etumi solve issues ewo ye society mu yenya nkole bia o metumi aye automated seed germinators yenya omo metumi aye helmet a STEM powered that so utofoma na so utofoma ebetumi alert
eno achi Asante Region Director of Education Dr. William Kwame Amankrapia ebo GSTEM for abaso
baby o master TDF GSTEM for my idea yes catch them young and some obedu secondary school no na waye innovation no crowd boost no say man quiet science you get a lot of people who are not science but who will be able to innovate and create a lot of things to help our system.
Ne kwakwa mu na suafo a woyi wo mufra santemantem ha eche woni so sei.
I have taken part in the GSTEM challenge, that's the Ghana Science and Tech Explorer Prize Challenge, and then it has helped other schools to be more involved in the STEM program. So I would like to encourage other students who feel they can't do anything. You can do it.
And when I joined STEM, I sought to find various skills in computing, software development. And after I joined, I got many skills like how to build Python programs, computer programs, and a lot.